Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, there is an awesome opportunity for gig workers to make extra money, or really anybody, through a new program called TikTok Shop. So TikTok is really competing now with Amazon and eBay, and you can now buy items on the TikTok app, and you can now also sell items too, which is exactly what I'm doing. And in a single day, I made over $1,000 because I created a TikTok shop selling items, and you can do it too. Actually, anybody can do it. I didn't show my face. I really did this on a brand new account, so you don't need any experience or any followers. If you want to learn exactly how I did it and how I made over $1,000 in a single day on TikTok shop, click the link below, and right now you can get a free trial when you sign up and join my community, my group chat. There's a 45-minute training there, so check that out. And now let's get started with the video. This is how Uber and Lyft drivers can make up to an extra $1,000 a month on TikTok Shop. Look at this. Have you seen this article? Leveraging TikTok. This is on the ridesharehub.com. You want to read this?
Oh, yeah. Okay. So leveraging TikTok Shop, a guide for Uber and Lyft drivers to boost income.
This is an excellent way for Uber and Lyft drivers to boost their income on TikTok Shop.
Yeah. So what's great about this is that you definitely already have a smartphone for if you're doing Uber, Lyft, or whatever.
Yep.
So you'll already have a phone to do this as well.
Guys, the amount of money you can make right off your phone in today's age is absolutely insane.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Can I read this?
Yeah, so in the gig economy, where flexibility and innovation go hand in hand, rideshare drivers often seek additional avenues to supplement their income. With the advent of social commerce platforms like TikTok Shop, a new opportunity has emerged for Uber and Lyft drivers to maximize their earning potential during downtime. Leveraging TikTok Shop can not only generate extra income, but also amplify their online presence and brand visibility. Here's how rideshare drivers can capitalize on this trend. So basically, you can showcase unique products and services on TikTok Shop. Okay, you can create content to help promote your products or services on there. It's super easy. You could literally make the content in your car between rides.
Yep. So this is what it looks like. You can see right here, there's this little orange button here. That's what you will link on your videos.
Yeah.
And then, or you can do live streaming, but I mean, well, you do live streaming, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you can get sales from live streaming.
Yeah, for sure. So I actually have a link below in the description box, guys, teaching you how you can make, or how I have made over $1,000 per day on TikTok. So check out the link below. And if you want to actually learn how to do it, it's actually crazy. I mean, we were just talking about it, right? Like, people are making in stupid amounts of money.
Oh yeah,
like
it's crazy.
I don't know if you want to talk about you don't need to mention names, but you were talking to someone who's making a lot.
Yeah, I was talking to someone who had a 70K profit month the other month, and they just started in January and it's only May.
Wow.
Oh, you really if you really put the work in and you know what you're doing and you're knowledgeable about it, then you can take off really quickly.
I'm not even joking, guys. This is life-changing money for so many people right now with TikTok Shop. And I've actually got a lot of feedback. Oh, TikTok's going to get banned. It's going to get banned. Well, it's not banned yet.
Also, okay, so it's actually not going to get banned just yet because TikTok is suing the U.S. government. So the whole 9-month period thing where they said they're going to ban in 9 months, it's getting paused. So even if it does get banned, it won't be for another 1 or 2 years or something.
Yeah, and the thing about this is you could start making money within days.
Mm-hmm.
And then you have what? Oh, I only have 9 months to 2 years to make 70 grand a month. It's you could still be cashing out tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars in the worst case scenario that it does get banned. So it's people are saying, oh yeah, well, I'm not, it's going to get banned in a year. It's like, okay, cool. Do it now then.
Yeah, like in my first week, like ever starting, I think I made like $100.
Yeah, and how many followers do you have?
Like 6,000.
Yeah, you don't have like 1 million followers. Like anybody
Need a lot of followers anyways.
Yeah, you don't need a lot of followers to do this. So check out the link below, guys. And we have a community that you can join in a group chat and a tutorial on how to set up a TikTok shop page and everything you need to know. Okay, cool.